Trying to control your Voltas AC using your phone? Whether it's a smart model or not, there are actually a few different ways to make it work depending on your setup. Here's a quick breakdown. First, if your phone has an IR blaster, like some Xiaomi, Huawei, or older Samsung models, you can basically turn your phone into a remote. Just download a universal remote app like Mi Remote, AnyMote, or Sure Universal. Open the app, choose air conditioner as the device type, select Voltas as the brand, and try out the remote layout. If it doesn't work right away, cycle through a few other Voltas options in the app until one clicks. Once it works, you're all set. Next option, if your AC actually has Wi-Fi built in. You'll usually see a little Wi-Fi icon on the unit or remote. If that's the case, download the Voltas Smart app from the Play Store or App Store. Sign in or create an account. Then turn on your AC and put it in pairing mode. Usually, you hold the Wi-Fi button on the remote, or use a specific button combo. It depends on the model. In the app, tap Add Device, choose Air Conditioner, connect it to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and follow the prompts. Once it connects, you can control it from anywhere using your phone. Now, if you don't have a phone with an IR blaster, and your AC isn't a smart model either, you're not out of luck. You can use a smart IR blaster, like the Broadlink RM4 Mini, Sensibo Sky, or other brands like Mozgo or SwitchBot. These little devices sit near your AC and act like a remote, but you control them through an app. You just set it up on your Wi-Fi, teach it the commands from your existing Voltas remote, and then you can use your phone to operate the AC. Some of these even work with Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can go full hands-free if you want.